In this video, we'll review Mailchimp sign-up form options, so you can choose which type of form is best for you and your business. Sign-up forms are an easy yet powerful way to extend the reach of your email marketing and enhance your long-term audience growth. Mailchimp provides a number of sign-up form options, including a hosted sign-up form, forms you can embed on your website, forms for social sites like Facebook, or platforms like WordPress, and sign-up form options for landing pages. Each form is designed with specific goals in mind, whether you're sharing your form, designing it for a website or for mobile, adding integrations and plugins, or using it with the API. Mailchimp offers shareable forms that are published and maintained on their servers, like landing page forms and hosted forms. Every Mailchimp audience comes with a flexible, customizable hosted sign-up form that will help you grow your subscriber base. You can decide what information you want to capture from your audience, customize the look of your form, share the URL across your online channels, and Mailchimp will handle the rest. Landing page sign-up forms allow you to boost your audience growth by collecting addresses in exchange for a free download or other limited-time offer. Landing pages use Mailchimp sign-up form content block to create a simple form with the email address field from your audience. All landing pages you publish are live on the internet and have a unique URL, making them easier to share and use in other campaigns and marketing materials. Paid account holders have access to an advanced mode for creating and editing Mailchimp's hosted sign-up forms. Aside from altering sign-up forms, you can also customize most other audience management forms, emails, and confirmation screens with this advanced feature. To learn more about how to access the Advanced Forms tool, check out our articles in the knowledge base. Forms for your website include embedded forms and pop-up forms. These make it easy for potential subscribers to sign up to your audience directly from your website. With embedded forms, you choose the type of form you want to display on your site, and Mailchimp will give you the code to use. Choose from Classic, Condensed, Horizontal, and Unstyled forms. Pop-up sign-up forms help you connect with the people who visit your website. You can use the pop-up form editor to design and customize a pop-up form, add a special offer or discount to help grow your audience and boost your sales. Once you publish, Mailchimp will automatically push the form code to your connected site, or provide the code you need to embed it on your site if it's not connected. Mailchimp Subscribe is a mobile app for your tablet device. It's a simple and powerful app to help you grow your audience in your store, at events, and on the go. Use it to build sign-up forms and collect subscribers when you're working face-to-face. If none of Mailchimp's form options work for you, you may set up your form through an integrated platform like Facebook, WordPress, or Squarespace. For more information about the integration and plugin options, check out our articles in the knowledge base. For complete control over your sign-up form process and opt-in settings, code your sign-up form from the ground up and pass subscriber information back to Mailchimp through the API. This is an advanced feature and is recommended for users familiar with code development. Contact your developer or hire a Mailchimp expert if you would like to try this out and need assistance. That's it. To learn more about the sign-up form options available on Mailchimp, check out our resources in the knowledge base.